got called out for a weird noise from the alternator, possibly a bearing. So yeah, let's check this. No noise from here on the alternator. Oh yeah, barely turn it. Yeah, so that bearing's shot. Pop off the electrical connections. Yeah, let's get this changed. There we go. And with the new alternator, that's a lot better. And we'll throw it back in. But you guys saw how I took it out, so it's the same steps reversed, and let's put it in. New alternator in, bearing, good, new belt, electrical hooked up. Everything is running super smooth, and I think the customer is gonna be very happy.
It's your boat though.
Oh yeah.